Why do Java keywords matter so much? That's the question we're going to address today. Keywords in every programming language serve as the backbone of the code. Java is no exception. These keywords are predefined words that have special meanings to the compiler. They are the essence that gives Java its structure and functionality. Begin with abstract. This keyword helps in achieving abstraction in Java. It's a non-access modifier applicable for classes and methods. An abstract class cannot be instantiated, and an abstract method must be overridden in the child class. Next, the keyword Boolean. This is a data type that can only have one of two possible values, true or false. It's used for flags that track true-false conditions. The keyword break comes next. It's used to stop the execution of the loop in between if some condition is satisfied. It is majorly used in switch case statements and loops. The term byte represents a keyword that is a data type representing an 8-bit signed 2's complement integer. The keyword case is used in the switch statement to mark blocks of text. It's a way to test a variable for equality against a list of values. Catch is a keyword used in conjunction with a try block and optionally followed by finally. It's used to catch and handle exceptions. The word char is a keyword that defines a character data type. It can store a single 16-bit Unicode character. The keyword class is a blueprint from which individual objects are created. It serves as a basic building block of object-oriented programming in Java. The term continue is a control statement that causes the loop to skip the remainder of its body and immediately retest its condition prior to reiteration. The keyword default is used when no case matches in a switch statement. It's also used to provide default values in Java annotations. Do is a control flow statement that creates a loop, which executes a block of code once, and then based on a condition repeats the block, or not, as long as the condition holds. The keyword double is a data type that can store fractional numbers from 1.7x10 circumflex 308 to 1.7x10 circumflex 308. Else is a keyword used to create an alternative path of execution in an if statement. Enum is a special data type that enables a variable to be a set of predefined constants. The variable must be equal to one of the values defined at creation of the type. Extends is a keyword used in inheritance. It specifies that a class is derived from another class or interface. Final is a keyword to declare an entity that can only be assigned once. Finally is used to place important code. It will be executed whether an exception is handled or not. Float is a keyword that defines a floating point number variable. Output for is a control flow statement that allows code to be executed repeatedly. If is a keyword that tests a condition. If true, runs the code within its block. Implements is a keyword used in class declarations to specify that a class implements an interface. Import is used to bring certain classes or entire packages into visibility. Instanceof is a keyword that is a binary operator used to test if an object is of a given type. Int is a keyword that defines an integer variable. Interface is used to declare a special type of class that only contains abstract methods. Long is a data type used when you need a range of values wider than those provided by int. Native is a keyword used in method declarations to specify that the method is not implemented in the same Java source file, but rather in another language. New is a keyword used to create an instance of a class or array object. Package is a keyword to create a package in Java, which is a mechanism to encapsulate a group of classes, subpackages, and interfaces. Private is an access modifier that restricts the visibility of a class. Constructor, variable, method, or data member. Protected is an access modifier that can be accessible within package and outside the package, but through inheritance only. Public is an access modifier that is accessible everywhere. It has the widest scope among all other modifiers. Return is a keyword used to finish the execution of a method. It can be followed by a value required by the method for its result. Short is a data type that can store whole numbers from -32768 to 32767. Static is a keyword that indicates that a variable or method is a class method. The static keyword in Java is used for memory management. Super is a keyword which is a reference variable that is used to refer parent class objects. Switch is a control statement that allows a variable to be tested for equality against a list of values. Synchronized is a keyword used to define a block of code which can only be executed by one thread at a time. This is a keyword that refers to the current object in a method or constructor. Throw is a keyword which is used to throw an exception explicitly. Throws is a keyword used to declare an exception. Transient is a keyword in Java used in serialization. If you define any data member as transient, it will not be serialized. Try is a keyword that specifies a block of code in which exceptions may occur. It must be followed by either catch or finally or both. Void is a keyword used to indicate that a method does not have a return value. Volatile is a keyword used to indicate that a variable's value will be modified by different threads. While is a keyword used to create a loop that executes a block of code as long as a condition holds. Strictfp is a keyword used to restrict the precision and rounding of floating point calculations to ensure portability. In summary, Java keywords play a crucial role in structuring the code, handling data, and controlling the flow of the program. Each keyword has a specific purpose, and understanding their function helps in writing efficient and effective Java code. So, it's essential to familiarize yourself with these keywords and their functions to become proficient in Java programming.